Okay, let's do some more exercise on one variable equations. And this one got some fractions in it. It tends to be difficult for students in beginning algebra or pre-algebra. Okay, so all right, when you're solving one variable equation, your goal, your goal is to get one term here, like, and then one term here. Okay. Just one term here, one term there, and then what do you say? You say, how do you solve this? 2x over 2, okay? You divide both sides by the coefficient. You call the number multiplying your variable coefficient. You divide both sides by 2. And that goes away, and then you say your variable x is equal to 5 over 2. Or you can say 2 and 1 half, or 2.5. Any of them. Okay, so your goal is to get one term on the left, one term on the right. Okay, how do you start? Okay, start by identifying first your variable. Okay, all right, or the different variables. So here you have variable A. So we identify that this term contains our variable. Okay, this term contains our variable. If we go here, that's our variable. Okay, what if we get here? This one here, that's our variable. So we identify that first, and then we isolate and combine like terms. So this is our variable. We want to keep our variable to the left, so we need to move this one here. We need to move it. So what do? We subtract 3. We underline it. That goes away. We have a over 3. What's left is, now we have a over 3 left on the left side. A over 3 is equal to 2. Okay, how do you solve this? Okay, what did I tell you? This is a whole number. You have a fraction on the left, a whole number on the right. Just make it look alike by making that look like a fraction with a denominator of 1. Okay, and then what do you do next? The butterfly, right? Then I can cross multiply. Like this. A times 1, my a times 1 is equal to my 2 times 3, right? A times my 1 equals my 2 times 3. Any number times 1 is the number. So a is equal to 6. And I'm done. All right? Okay, so try number 3. Same, identify your variable, move the 3, okay? And then you're not done until you have your a by itself. So if you have 2a equals something, then you divide both sides by the coefficient. All right, so, okay, master that. Okay, what about this one right here, number 4? Identify your variable, right? Move this integer here. And this integer is what? There's no sign before it, so it is plus 3. So, okay, don't let this sign here mislead you. This sign here, this 3 is positive, so we're going to subtract. Okay, so pay attention. Once we move this 3 away, what do we have left on the left side? Be careful. You have negative x over 4 left. Do not say you have x over 4. Do not forget the negative sign. It's equal to what? What is negative 2 minus 3? Go to negative 5. What do you do next? Okay, your fraction on the left, you make this look like a fraction by making over 1. And then what do? You cross multiply. You cross multiply, and you have negative x times 1 equals negative x is equal to negative x equal to 4 times negative 5, negative 20. So your x is 20. Negative x is negative 20. X is 20. You're interested in x. Okay, we're done with that one. So master this. Okay, redo it. Rewatch the video, redo it, get the same answer, and go and try number 8. Okay, now let's do this one right here. Again, what do I tell you? Over and over, I say what? Identify your variables. So here, there is one there. There's 1 there. So we need to combine it. We need to move it from the right to the left, right? And then we're going to move the negative half from the left to the right. Okay, so we start by saying we have k over 6, and then we are going to add k over 3 to both sides, plus k over 3, right? Okay, we underline it. When we do that, that goes away. What is k over 6 plus k over 3? Okay, this is the same as k over 6 plus 2k over 6. So this is 3k over 6 on the left. You remember how to add your fractions, right? 3k over 6 minus half, we still have the half here, equals to 3 and 1/2. So your first step, you have moved your variable to the left. You have collected. So identify always, okay? Underline it. Identify what your variable is. Isolate, combine them if there are more than one. Okay, what next? What do you do? Next, all right, this is our variable. This right here is our variable. Okay, identify. So we move this away. Plus half, plus half. Underline it. Once we add this to half, it goes, so we have 3k over 6 is equal to 3.5 plus half is 4. By the way, 3k over 6 is the same as 1 over 2k, because 3 divided by 6 is half. So 1 over 2k equals 4. And what did I tell you? That if you have 1 over 2k, this k in the middle is k actually on the top, k over 2. So we have k over 2 equals 4. Remember how to solve this? K over 2 equals 4. We make it over 1. We cross multiply. K equals 8. All right. Presence of mind. Pay attention. Redo these questions. Make sure you get the same answer. You've mastered them. All right. And then do from 6 to 10. Okay. All right. And then send me your answers. All right. Keep on practicing, and all things being equal, what do I tell you? You shall bloom. All right. See you later. Bye bye.